Hi, I'm Cheryl Wadlington, the Style Director at EveloreConsultants.com. We're at Charlie's Jeans in Philadelphia, and today we're going to talk to you about what matches a black jean jacket. There are so many things that you can do with a dark denim jean jacket, particularly for the fall and spring season. So today I'm going to show you a few things that you can do to sport a jean jacket with style. Like we have here, you can take this basic jean jacket with fur. You can add a colorful hat, and the emphasis here is on the long black maxi dress. Just a simple necklace that hangs right at the breast line. And this is a great pulled together street chic look. Now over here, this is a very versatile look. For one, you can take this look and you can work it in a day, and it can transition right into the evening just by putting on a gladiator heel, and then for daytime you can just slip on a cute ballerina flat. But I'm going to show you one thing that you can do for instant attitude with this look. If you want that really great chic look, you can pop the collar and then push up the sleeve just a little bit, and it just makes it a little more stylish. So these are two great looks that you can use and will transition well with a black jean jacket. I'm Cheryl Wadlington from EveloreConsultants.com, and those were ideas about how to work a black jean jacket.